Today, we will once again see a prime example of why the James Webb Telescope is so valuable to scientists. Thanks to it, we can see things that are invisible to the naked eye. Today, we're going to take a look at the remains of a supernova explosion. But this isn't a picture from Webb yet. It's from the Hubble telescope, taken in 2004. And this is the same object captured by the James Webb Telescope. We are looking at a formation called Cassiopeia A, which, as the name suggests, is located in the constellation Cassiopeia. There was once a massive star in this place that ended its existence as an exploding supernova. This explosion scattered material into the surrounding area, now resembling a nebula. Cassiopeia A is approximately 10,000 light-years away from us and is the strongest radio source in the sky after the Sun. To capture this image, the Webb telescope used its MIRI instrument, the only one on board that operates at longer wavelengths. This allows us to observe the universe in the mid-infrared spectrum. At the edges, especially in the upper and left parts, we can see material that has an orange and reddish tint. This is caused by the dust emitting thermal radiation. As a result, we can see spots on the image where the ejected material collides with the surrounding material. Inside this outer shell, we can see fine filaments of bright pink. It almost looks as if these fibers are full of tufts and knots. This is the material of the star itself, and may shine due to a mixture of heavy elements and dust emissions. We can also see this stellar material as faint wisps near the core of the central cavity. It was right in the center of the object, where perhaps the biggest surprise was found. It is a green loop that extends across the right side of the central cavity. Its shape and complexity are unexpected and challenging for scientists to understand. The James Webb Telescope, with its extraordinary capabilities and unrivaled sensitivity, has once again pushed research forward. This is how it goes in the world of science. Every new mission helps answer previous questions, but also presents scientists with new mysteries. The 5 European astronaut candidates selected last year have begun their year-long training at the Cologne Center. They will also be joined by their Australian colleague. During their basic training, they will study theoretical aspects of space systems and procedures. They will also try diving and wilderness survival training. After this year-long training, they will become astronauts and await a flight nomination. On the 6th of April, a static fire of the RS-25 rocket engine took place at Stennis Space Center. This was already the 5th test out of a total of 12 planned static fires to test the reliability of newly manufactured parts for future SLS rocket launches. The static fire lasted for the planned 500 seconds, the same amount of time these engines will operate during the rocket's flight. Thank you for watching today's episode of Spaceflight News. Our 6 times a week show reports on news in space exploration, and we'd be happy to have you join us so you don't miss any episode.